Okay, this is another Lusofonia one. Friday night, it's October 18, I believe. And we're just gonna walk through the crowds. And we have a Brazilian tent first. We have all of this. And we're just gonna walk through and see what we see as we go through.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is another Lusofonia one. Friday night, it's October 18, I believe. And we're just gonna walk through the crowds. And we have a Brazilian tent first. We have all of this. And we're just gonna walk through and see what we see as we go through. Beautiful music, but we're gonna kind of keep going through Mozambique. We just walk all the way down. So this will be trip number 2 down the lane of Lusofonia. So we're gonna be So last time I was able to point out some of these specific places, but this time I'm just going to walk down it. So you got to see some live music and Timor. So all the Lusofonia is all the Portuguese diaspora. It's gonna walk all the way down. Some water for somebody, which is good, not a bad thing, but it means that I will stop filming in a minute when we get to the stage.
Zé das cores, não sabem falar inglês, mas com seu português conseguiu encantar.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.